Damn, boy. All right. So obviously I'm still at the crib. The battery on this phone is at 10%, so I'm gonna give y'all a rundown real quick. So when it dies, y'all know what's up. All right, so we're at the truck, obviously. We're at the truck. We've been home about 10, 11 days now. We came home not this past Friday, but the Friday before that. So we also 7, 8, 9, 10. Today's day number 10 at the crib. We're thinking about probably heading out tomorrow on Wednesday. But about 3 weeks or a month or so with Genesis, man, when I'm on the road, whenever I stop, I have to wake up at like 6 hours later and turn her on. For some of y'all who with the Snapchat, you know the story, you know what's going on. But for the YouTube family, exclusively YouTube family, I'm giving you a breakdown. Long story short, something inside Genesis draining the power like a mofo, right? Draining the power like crazy. And I know it's not the alternator, because I know what it feels like to have a bad alternator. It's not the alternator. When the jump happen, we get it started, it will run all damn day. So the culprit is one of these mofos right here. It's one of these ragtag, no hairline having ass batteries, bro. Because I did a volt check on all. Oh, by the way, I also got, I made a whole video about getting this. So y'all gonna see that before you see this video, so it don't matter. So these guys, I got it charged 100%, jump it and stuff, but after a couple days, damn near, it's gone, bro. All of them so far are throwing up 8 volts, which is okay because it's a circuit. All of them are connected, so that's expected. So which means, however, 1 or 2 of these are completely dead and they're draining the rest, which is why if the truck is not running, after like 6 hours, my volt just take a dive. And I don't have no extra stuff in my truck. Y'all seen inside my truck. I don't have no TV. I have a refrigerator, but I keep that off. You know, I keep that off because I ain't never really got anything in there anymore except for drinks. Water, which I don't need a refrigerator running for water. So anyways, we gotta go in town around 12 o'clock for appointment with chiropractor. The queen bee is getting adjusted and all that nonsense. And so I went back in. Like I said, I don't know if y'all know about this, but this will actually check your volts for you. So I'm going to try to unplug all these batteries, volt check each one of them. We're going to find the culprit. But because we don't have a whole lot of power on this phone, I just wanted to catch y'all updated, man. That's it. So we're spending some money today. I've been spending money the whole time I'm home. That's why I don't necessarily like being home. I love being home. But that aspect of it, I don't like it because you can relate, I can relate. Every time we're home, we're spending money, man. Anyways, YouTube, I'm going to get you up to date, man. These are TRD batteries. I got them toward either the beginning of 2021 or the end of 2020. So they're about 2 years old, if not less. So I feel like I really shouldn't be having this damn problem right now, but it is what it is. I'm having them. We can't change history. I did notice the fuse holder got a little green, you know, corrosion or whatever. I don't know if that has anything to do with anything, you know. I tried to scrape it off yesterday. Everything else looks solid. Everything is tied on. I don't see no leaks or nothing. But I did go through all of these batteries, and each of them was showing 8 volts. And Based on some of family members that actually got more experience with this on Snapchat, they're telling me where it's gonna show a vote for all of them because it's a circuit. All of them are connected. They gotta show even current. So the best way we're gonna figure this thing out, like I said, is we're gonna have to remove them individually and test them. So I'll see y'all in a little bit, guys. The way they got this battery's position is bad on your back, y'all. We got the first two out. Now we're working on these guys right here. So, yeah, you gotta lift over this right here. Which, to be fair, it's not exactly an easy task. So we got that. One more, y'all. One more, ladies and gentlemen. Then after that, the testing phase, all right? Stay tuned. All right. We got all 4 batteries out. These rigid conditions. So one thing I want to check. So this is the one. Yeah, that's hella rusty, so we're gonna have to scrape that off a little bit. Look at that's tied up. All right, whatever. That one look a little bit hella rusty. What else? Rusty. So we're gonna go find something to brush some of that off. I used to have a metal brush that I use on my trailer to scrub off some rust. But if I can't find that, we have, the thing you use for the dishes, the metal thing for the dishes. Yeah, go ahead and use that. Yeah, first thing first, let's go ahead and test the voltage on this, guys. We are gonna use this bad boy right here, like I said earlier. Like I said earlier. So, positive out. The negative out. Okay. So. So battery number 1, positive right here. Boom. Battery number 1, negative. Boom. Okay. So the voltage on this 6.6. That's what we're getting, okay? 6.6, so that's bad. Supposed to be 12, y'all. All right. Battery number 2. Boom. Boom. What we're looking at? 6.8. Well, that's a bitch. Damn. Is anybody here giving out the voltage they're supposed to be giving out? All right, so there goes another 6. So that's bad. On to the next. Negative. Positive. Battery number 3. 6.5. Golly. I don't know, bro. I'm not even doing this right. I'm not doing this right, y'all. 6.5 volts. Okay, that's weird. My thing is, should I charge them first and then weigh these motherfuckers or what? I mean, what's the move here, folks? Talk to me. 8. So 8.1. So this one got the best voltage out of all of them. Hey, this is a quick update, y'all. Quick update. So we got everything out. So far, I don't really see a whole lot of green out here. There's a little bit there on that one. So obviously, before we put it on, we're gonna make sure we take care of that. Brush it off. No, a little bit, but it's nothing too crazy to be like, you know, that one. I gotta be like an old school kind. But we got everything on plug, on hook. I try to take the fuse thing out, but I'm like, nah, we're gonna leave that there. So boy tractor. And that country life, baby. So what we're gonna do, prop this handle up. There we go. Propped up that handle. So now the goal is, guys, we're testing each one of these batteries voltage, right? And I already told y'all the hack we're using here. We're using the Viking 3400 jump starter because it reads voltage as well. So that's the hack. So I don't have to have a voltmeter. Damn it, boy. Whew. All right, y'all. I may have to position this thing somewhere so y'all can see the action. Oh, obviously not on the ground. That would be nice. But damn, boy.